Hi. So here we have my day bag that I carry whenever I go out for the day, walking or just go to the woods. I'm just going to show you what I've got inside of it. So it's just a normal cheap Molly bag, and in it I carry a little pouch of cordage. I'll carry a spare knife. Little knife sharpener I've got in here. It's only a few quid. Very good. My fire kit. In here I've got a pouch which has my lighting, so head torch, normal torch, and some spare batteries. A little foldable shovel. Shovel, and then it's got an axe head, a little extendable handle. Mozzie repellent, just in case, good for the spring summer months. Got a foldable saw, just a cheap tarp. Got in here an inflatable roll mat, in here I've got some tent pegs. I carry about 10 tent pegs just in case, and I carry some bungees. I don't want to use my cordage on the tarp, I use bungees. And then I've got water, any bits of food, rations, whatever. And the last thing, a big saw for cutting up logs and bigger wood. So yeah, that's what I carry. My little fire kit. It's just a little pouch with all the things I need in it to make a fire. So let's have a look at what I've got in there. So, the first thing I've got in there, 8-inch ferro rod. And I carry the striker with it. Nice and easy. Make a spark. I carry a bit of cordage. It's good for starting a fire. Just fluff it up with a knife, which I carry this little knife here. So I would cut a bit off, I'd fluff it up, and that will take a spark. So yeah, a knife, my cordage, some windproof matches. These are fairly good in the wind, no good if they get wet. Nice and simple. I carry a lighter, and I carry a couple of tea lights. So yeah, that's everything I carry in my fire starting kit. So that is good to go all the time in my bag. Cut.